Hello, this is One Person Studio. So I'm making a new series on CodinGame, but I've never used it before, so I'm really excited how it does. I know that it's for passionate developers, which I claim to be, and I know you have to solve puzzles on it. So I mean, there's like three different difficulties: easy, medium, hard. So let's start the intro. So this puzzle is called Onboarding. So what do I need to learn? So solving this puzzle will help me understand how puzzles work on CodinGame. Okay. I can discover the platform with this simple exercise of basic comparisons. More than 25 programming languages. Okay, wow. So, okay, what's the opportunities of me learning this? So this puzzle can be solved using the following concepts. Practice using this concept and improve your skills. Conditions, okay. Alright, so this is a statement, a tutorial mission for all newcomers. Alright. Your program must find which of the two targets is the closest. Alright, let's solve it. Alright. Okay, this is the story. Alright, I need to basically defend the planet from laser cannons. Okay. Alright, let's solve it. Okay, so this is the IDE. Okay. Let's help my coding skills. Alright. So this is my mission statement. Okay, so this is the rules. Okay, this is important. So in each start of turn, I obtain information on the two closest enemies. So enemy 1 and this one, the name of the distance to enemy 1. Okay. Enemy 2 and this 2 is the name and distance for enemy 2. Okay. So before my turn is over, I need to output the value of either enemy 1 or enemy 2. So I can shoot the closest enemy. Alright. Okay, let's do it. So yeah, like I said, it says 25 programming languages. Okay. So choose a programming language. Okay. Let's try. I'm gonna try Python. I think Python is a good language to start from. Alright, time to code. Okay, let's tell you. Oh, it does it for you. Oh, okay. That's weird. Okay, let's tell your program to shoot the closest alien. Copy and paste this code in the right place. Alright. I think it does it for you, right? Oh, that's it. Oh, okay, that's a bit weird. Alright, what's your code in action? That's it. Oh, okay. I was hoping to do something more than that, I'm not gonna lie. Alright, you're ready to learn code and play. Submit your solution to verify. In different situations. Oh, okay. Okay, well, that's it.